फिरायला आलास नाही बघायला रे पैसे दाखव मला कसं असतं So I'm going to tell you a fact.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
The district that we are in,
Yeah.
it's called Kolhapur.
Yeah.
It has so within India, if you count the number of Mercedes-Benz
Yeah. A lot of them.
in the district,
Yeah.
this district
That's a
out
lot.
of all the districts in India, not just
Yeah.
the state,
Yeah.
has the most number of Mercedes-Benz.
So the people are rich here now.
Yes. When that happened, the CEO of Mercedes-Benz,
Yeah.
I don't remember the name, he
Yeah.
visited Kolhapur.
Okay. Kolhapur, huh?
Yes, because it had the most number of Mercedes-Benz.
Okay.
But he was very surprised with the number of potholes in the city.
Yeah.
You know, like the holes in the roads.
Okay.
Pretty open. लहान बाळाचं म्हणत असते माणसाचं So he's doing the iron.
Ironing.
So this is for like kids. They have a variety of different.
Oh.
Good.
One girl. What's on?